close your eyes.
Hi, this is Mary Moses, and this is a piece of art that I created as a nightlight. So she's not a cabinet, she's basically a piece of glass art that has a subliminal meaning that awakens the subconscious mind. So basically the idea of this piece is obviously freedom of the heart chakra and freedom of the head chakra. So you have the feathers and you have that up there, and then freedom through love on the throat chakra. Long eyelashes represents being successful in your endeavors, and the ear exposed means that you're listening with your right ear. So she's listening with her right ear, not the wrong ear. She's cradling the tail of the bird. A tail, if you dream of a tail in your dreams, or if you're looking up symbologies, tails always represent self-sabotage. So she has to be really careful to keep that behind her, to not self-sabotage through old ways of thinking and old ways of doing things. But when you turn her on, let's use this here. She has a light. And I'm going to do multicolored. We're going to turn the light out so you can see what she looks like here. So these are all the different colors of the chakras. When her chakras are activated, all of the colors are presented. But you can choose a color. Let's say that you're working on your very first chakra, your root chakra, or the red chakra. You just push red. And it stimulates your subconscious mind to ground yourself, to let go of old beliefs and old connections and old things, and to begin your transformational process. So I know I do some strange things, but I like art that awakens the mind and expands the spirit. So I do not have this on my website yet because I'm not quite finished with her as far as her being able to be shipped. But I thought it would be really nice to go ahead and show her to the world and get her ready to be sold by someone who really needs her. Love you. Bye.